This video is about command injections, and this comes from a lack of filtering and encoding of information used as part of a command. For the first example, we are going to use a trivial command injection where the developer didn't perform any input validation, and we can directly inject our command after the IP parameter. For example, we can do this. And like this, we get the content of password by using the payload and cat, etc. password with encoding in here. Now, for the second example, is validating the parameter provided but in a wrong way, like the SQL injections. Here is used the multi-line regular expression, so we can easily gain code execution. So we write this. And like this, we get the command injection. Now for the third example, this is supposed to be similar to the previous one, but in this case, we are calling the function getter to redirect the users if one of the values that are provided doesn't match some security constraint. However, this function does not stop the execution flow because the developer does not stop the script correctly, and it will finish to run with a dangerous parameter. So the developer needs to call the function die after the call to the function header to avoid the danger. Now in this example, I couldn't make it with Telnet as the guide said, but we will try with an alternative. We're going to use Burp Suite and Firefox just to make the example. First, in here we go to options. Then in here we search for network settings, writing the word proxy. Clicking here. Now we select manual proxy configuration. In this space, we write this IP that was provided in the example in here. Also, we write the port 8080, and finally we make sure that the checkbox here is used proxy for FTP and HTTPS is checked. If it is not checked, then we check it. Now we will click on OK. Now we open Burp Suite. In this case, it's Burp Suite Community Edition. Click here in Next. Also Start Burp. Now that is open Burp Suite, we go to the window proxy here. And in this window to intercept. Now we click on the button here, intercept is on. If it is off, then we turn it on. Then we refresh this example here. and we can notice that we get this result here. Now we right click in here and send to repeater. Now we go in this window repeater and we click button send. Notice that we get this response. It is the same HTML code as the original page of the example. Now if we change the get request in here, we change it to the we supposed to change in the original example to this, using this, we get the result that we want if we press send. If we go down here, we notice that we get this result that is the result that we wanted at first.